Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about Elastic Beanstalk. Okay, we will discuss Elastic Beanstalk with demo and we will see how it will work. Those things. Okay, basically Elastic Beanstalk is a fully managed service. Okay, which allows customer quickly deploy their application. Basically, it is um, easy to deploy your application. So suppose as a developer they can write the code. Okay, they need to set up some environment to run their code and build and manage their application everything. So those things it will be taken care by the AWS Elastic Beanstalk. You don't need to worry about the platform and prerequisite like version related versions and those things. Everything taken care by the AWS Elastic Beanstalk. You just need to write the code and upload the code. It is mainly for the developer purpose. Okay, Elastic Beanstalk. Okay. Elastic Beanstalk is a compute service which makes it is easier for developers to quickly deploy and manage applications upload in the AWS cloud. Okay. So mainly for that purpose. So it will be supported like Java, Python, .NET, Docker. So many languages it should be supported this Elastic Beanstalk. Developers simply upload their code application to AWS cloud, then let the AWS Beanstalk provision and handle the configurations. So it's basically kind of for automation and serverless. Okay, and applications will provide the capacity to provisioning and load balancing, auto scaling, health monitoring, everything it should be taken care. You just need to create the code and ready with your code. That's it. Remaining Beanstalk will be taken care. So benefits, when it comes to the benefits, easy to start and auto scaling options also it should be there. Okay, so just one click only, you don't need to bother about configurations and those things. Okay, it's provided the auto scaling options and developer productivity. It is easily used for the developers and customizations and cost effective and managing and updates. Basically Elastic Beanstalk is a platform as a service. Okay, so what it is platform as service, it's a single step application deployment module. Okay, you can bring your code then provide builds everything for you. Okay, deploy your application and manage it's going forward everything. Okay, so just Elastic Beanstalk, it's Amazon platform as a service tool. It is one stop for everything AWS related, like automation, deployment, management, everything it should be taken care. Automation means like Elastic Beanstalk automates all your deployments. Okay, so whenever if you make any new changes, it should be one click only, you don't need to do bother about all these things. Okay, automatically it should be taken care. And deployments means it should handle all your deployments. You can upload your code and test your code, stage environment, then upload to production, deploy to the production, everything it should be taken care. And management, Elastic Beanstalk will handle the build out of inside of your EC2 instances for you. You don't need to get any host for yourself. Okay. So when you write the code, suppose you have written the Python application, Python code, so you need to server to run the your code. Okay. So this in the server also it should be created taken care by the Elastic Beanstalk. Okay. Let's get into the demo. Okay. So EBS, Elastic Beanstalk. Currently I'm into, if you search with EBS, you'll get it to this page. So currently I'm into this page only. Now get started. See, it's a end-to-end web application management. Amazon Beanstalk is easy to use service for deployment, scalable web applications and service deployed with the Java, .NET, PHP, Node.js, Python, Ruby, Go language and Docker familiar service, Apache, okay, Nginx, passengers and IaaS. Okay, for all this you just need to create application. So I'm just creating application name, my web EBS. And if you need to provide the tags, you can provide the tags. Okay, so I'm just, this is for dev my web EBS dev. Okay, and the platform. So suppose I have a Java Python code, you just need to select Python. Okay, or if you have any Docker or Java anything, so you just need to select based on your platform. Okay, and it should be platform branch, it should be selected which version. Okay, and OS and all, the version, Python version recommended. This, if you have code in your local machine, you just need to select this option, and you just need to provide it. If your code in S3, your code is updated in S3, so you just need to provide the URL of S3 bucket. Okay, if you have in your local, you just need to choose and upload. Okay, upload your code. So once upload, it should be created the application. Currently, I am not going with this one. Okay, I don't have any Python code. I'm selecting the sample application. The code also it should be created by sample application for Python. Okay. So if you want to change any configurations, you just need to select this option. And if you need to see with default options, it should be provided. If you want to edit anything, you just need to update this thing. Okay. So software instances, okay, the default instances it should be provided capacity T2 micro and T2 small. If you want to edit, and you can edit and you can update AMI IDs. Okay, those things you can able to do. You want to modify, you can modify. Okay, and monitoring, security, rollback, load balancers, manage updates, databases, tags. Okay, so if you need to do anything, you can just create this one. I just cancel that one. My web demo EBS dev, my web dev platform. I'm going with Python. Create application. Okay. If your code a tar file or sample files in your local machine, just upload your code. Or your code in S3, you just need to be in S3. So it will take some time. It will take few minutes to get it. The platform is ready. So create environment is starting. Okay, using Elastic Beanstalk, storing bucket. So same way you can create a Docker application, Python application, everything. Okay, it's created target group named, and created security group. This will take 3 to 4 minutes. Okay. Now created security group. Environment health has transition as to pending. Okay. Initialization progress. So if you observe, so it will created EC2 instances. Whenever environment is ready, it is trying to create the EC2 instances. So it is see my web demo environment. It is pending. So it will be take some time to running this application. So server also EBS will taken care. Now created security group named. I'm passing this video until it should be created, so we can resume. Now it is completed. Okay, now it is completed to created the sample application. See, health is okay and running version. Okay, if you want to upload and deploy any new code, you can use this one. Platform I'm using Python platform. Okay. Now once it is created successfully, right, you will able to get that URL. Okay, if you click this URL, okay, it will be seeing this page, web page. So it should be saying Congratulations on your first EBS Elastic Bench. This is the web page of the sample application of Python. Same way you can create a Docker, a Java application, anything. Okay. Like this, you can use the Elastic Beanstalk. Now, if you want to delete this service, okay, you just see now the server also it should be created and up and running. See my web demo EBS environment. Whenever the application it should be created in the EBS, so server also it should be created. If, so it should having that public IP security groups it should be created. Okay, and network storage, everything it should be created and monitoring. So CloudWatch also, alarms also it should be created. CPU utilization, everything it should be taken care. You just need to click one click only. No need to do anything. Just need to create a develop the code and everything taken care by the EBS. Now if you want to delete this, you just need to go to applications and applications. You just need to select those application and action. You just need to delete the application. It should be automatically deleted, terminated the instances along with the applications. Okay. That's all about in this session. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please share and subscribe. Thank you.